Welcome to Cronycle Tutorials. We are going to show the different ways to save content to your boards, so you can organize, make sense of, and share information, alone or as a team. First, let's look at pinning from your feed, where you can discover and filter content from millions of sources. When you find an interesting article, video or tweet, click on the pin button, then select the right board to save to. Almost instantly, you see the confirmation and preview of what you just saved on the right side. You can start to add tags, a summary, comment, or open to annotate. If you go to the board, you'll see the same tile there, with the possibility to edit and remove. In some cases, a feed is consistently producing pins for a single board. If that's your case, click on Set a default board to pin to, and select the board to send all pins there directly. Our content clippers are a great way to save content from anywhere onto your boards, whenever you are browsing the internet using Chrome or Safari. First, install the clipper by searching Cronycle Clipper in the Chrome Store or Mac App Store. Once that's done, remember to pin it to the extension bar in Chrome, or personalize the Safari toolbar. Back to the content page, click on the Cronycle Content Clipper extension icon, select the board you want to save to, and confirm. Back to your board, refresh the content, and what you just clipped appears. You can also copy the link of the content you find and add it to the board directly. However, the clipper is more reliable for collecting content on a web page. This is better than bookmarking, as the content is saved permanently on your board. If the host page disappears or is modified, your copy remains accessible. We also have an iOS application where you can pin from your feed, just like on the web application. The Cronycle iOS app also enables you to save from any other app. Click on Share, select Cronycle and then the board you want to save to. The content will appear shortly on your board. This works also for images and videos you record on your phone. If the content you want to add is not available online, you can upload it as a file. You can either drag and drop in the dedicated area on the board, or browse for the file to upload. We accept any type of file format. Popular extensions such as PDF, PNG, JPEG and Word have a preview. You can also simply add text as a note onto your boards. This is useful, for example, when drafting a section of a newsletter, a post, or jotting down ideas for a longer text. Enterprise users can invite contributors to join their boards. Other contributors on your boards can add and modify content, and discuss as a team. Click on the plus in the board menu, or on collaborators in the board settings. On the side panel, you can see the list of current contributors, and subscribers if your board is published. To add one, simply click on Add, and expand the drop-down list to select one or several new contributors. If you are an admin user, you can add new members to your organization and to the board. Click on Invite New Curator to Organization, and add the email address in the next step. Once you submit, an invite is sent with a link to activate an account. As soon as your new organization member has created their account using this link, they'll be able to access the board. An organization admin console is dedicated to admin users. The users page lists all users in the organization and lets you control rights, deactivate, and invite several users simultaneously. In Teams, discussions can also happen directly on boards, using crystals. Any board contributor can start a crystal with a question or statement. Once posted, others can add their replies. Both initial message and replies can include links and mentions of specific board contributors.